Hello everyone, my name is Rakshita Vishwanath Giri. I am a third year computer science engineering student from Sri Siddheshwar Women's College of Engineering, roll number 346. Today we are going to discuss on the problem statement called a rock paper scissors game, and in the classic game of a rock paper scissors, two players simultaneously choose one of the three possible options. Uh, those are rock, paper, scissors. The winner is decided based on the following rules. Rock beats scissors, and scissors beat papers, while paper beats rocks. So your task is to write a Python function that takes the choice of both players as an input and determines the winner. If player 1 is a winner, print player 1, and if player 2 wins, then print player 2, and if both player make the same choice, then print draw. So these are the input format, and these are the output format. So as we know, our job is to take the choice of a player 1 and player 2, then compare the choice. And as I said, the player 1, if player 1 wins, then player 1. If player 2, then if player 2 wins, then player 2, and draw if both choose the same thing. So for example, example 1 is input. If player 1 choose rock and player 2 choose scissors, so as a rock beat scissor, then player 1 is winner. And here also example 2, input we take for player 1 paper and player 2 paper, both are the same, so draw. And here in as a input, player 1 scissors and player 2 rock, so output is player 2 as rock beats scissors. Then now as we see the code, this defines a function named rock paper scissors. If it takes two inputs, which is nothing but the parameters, p1 for first player and p2 for second, and then it checks draw if both players choose the same thing, and if yes, the game is draw, it immediately returns draw and stop further checking. And next one is to check if player 1 wins. These are the winning condition for player 1. Rock beat scissors, as we know, scissor beat papers, paper beat rock. The or operator means if any one of this is true, player 1 wins. If one of these is true, it returns player 1. And if not a draw or a player 1, then player 2 wins. If it's not a draw and as we know player 1 didn't win, then automatically player 2 wins, so we return player 2. And these are the input from users. So these line take input from users for each player choice, and dot strip removes any extra space at the beginning or end. For example, if user types with space rock, then it becomes just rock, clean the input. As we can see output, enter player 1's choice rock paper scissor, we will choose rock, and then enter player second choice, we will choose rock paper scissors, then player 2 will win. And again if we choose both same, here rock, and second one also rock, then as we can see it's draw. So thank you for watching this video.